Hi, scholars. We are going to get ready to learn our scholarly words for the week, and these words will help you understand our essential question of how are things alike and how are they different much better. Okay, so our first word today is perfect. So let's go ahead and listen to what it means, and I'm going to play it. So it says, a sunny day is perfect for a picnic. So let's listen.
Perfect. A sunny day is perfect for a picnic.
So the word perfect means everything's right, it's the best, it's awesome. So you tell me what is perfect to you. What is perfect weather, or what is an example of, the most perfect cake that you would like to have. So give an example of perfect, okay? And when you go to your Wonders unit, okay, you will find in your Unit 10 um, Week 2 packet, you will find your scholarly word here. So you're going to go ahead and draw something that is perfect to you. So I agree with our scholarly word definition that a sunny day would be perfect to head down to the beach and maybe go surfing. That would be my husband's perfect day to go surfing at the beach. Okay? All right, so go ahead and in this box write what perfect means to you. All right, now let's go on to our second word. And our second word is endless. Let's listen.
Endless. Mr. Brown, our soccer coach, has endless patience and never gets angry.
So when you have some endless patience or and never gets angry, that means he um, always has enough energy, and he never gets upset at his players. So endless means that it will never ever end. Never ever end. So going back to our scholarly words, endless is here at the top. So tell me to you, what is endless? Like, what do you think never ever ends? So let's see. I am going to write how um, this person has endless happiness because they are always, always happy. So endless happiness. Okay, this one's a little hard today. Endless. So try to think of something that never ever ends. Okay, friends? All right, now let's go back to our scholarly words, and we're going to see what the next word is, which is similar. So similar means same. The red coat and the red sweater are similar in color.
Similar. The red coat and red sweater are similar in color.
So again, similar also means something that is the same. So scholars, now you're going to go down to this box right here, and you're going to draw what is similar or something that is the same, or close to being the same. So I might say that I'm going to take that example. So I have a red shirt, and then I have another red shirt. Okay, they are similar in color. Maybe one is a little bit of a maroon red, and then another one is like a darker red. They're similar in color, they're close to, but not exactly the same. Okay? All right, now let's go on to our next word. And our next word is sort.
Sort. You can sort the laundry into a sock pile and a towel pile.
Okay.
Sort. To sort is to place things in groups with other things that are the same in some way.
Okay, so when you sort, you are putting things together in some way. They share the same characteristic. So, for example, anything that is red, I might put over here. Anything that is yellow, I would put over here, like a sun and a banana. What is red is like an apple or fire. Okay. Then I would say what is blue, like the water and raindrops, and what is pink, maybe like a pig and a hair bow. Okay, so here I'm sorting because I am putting those things into groups and they share the same characteristic. Okay, and our last word today is experiment. So let's go back to our scholarly words and see what experiment means.
Experiment. The students experiment with plants to see how fast they grow.
Okay, so an experiment is when it's a scientific activity where you test a question that you have. And then once you test that question, you hopefully will find an answer to your science question. So that is an experiment. So these kids here are doing an experiment to see how fast or how slow a plant can grow. So you can draw an example of a science experiment here. So I'm going to draw a little science beaker and some bubbles, and it's all coming out, and maybe they're growing some beans in a bag, and you can see how long it takes for them to grow. Okay, so a science experiment. Oops, sorry, scholars, I forgot to change it back so that you could see. Okay, so let's go back, and you can see here Mrs. Chin drew an example of some science experiments. Okay, so go ahead and work on your scholarly words, and when you're done with your scholarly words, you can post them to Seesaw. And then if you're done, you can go ahead and on the notebook function in Seesaw, you can take each word and try to write them and put them into a sentence. Okay, scholars? Thanks for listening.